Hello, we're learning to play an exercise called Sad Song. I'm going to do it over 2 videos, but let me just play you the whole thing first, just to give you a feel for how it's going to go. Right, so let's just look at the first full 4 bars, well just over the first full bars. We're going to start with the left hand bit. This piece is in D minor. The reason for this is it actually ends on a D major chord, but up until that point everything's been based around D minor. We've got 1 flat in the key signature, and the melody very much is in the left hand in the opening section here with this little run going ba 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 ba. Right, so that starts down on a D, so it's going D, running up to your thumb on A, so that'll be 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then you skip down to F and back to A. Then you skip down to F again and up to G. And then this time you drop down to D and up to F. So let's have a little bit of that. So this is going to go like this. Mezzo forte. So probably that fingering, you could do it all with your hand in that position. Here it is again. A little thing, notice that I'm being careful with the phrasing. I'm not just making it all one big legato thing. It's very easy to go. But actually we've got 4 separate phrases here. So that's your first phrase, second phrase, third phrase, fourth phrase. So just a little tiny lift between each phrase just to give it some shape. So that's your left hand bit. Now in the right hand, we've got thirds here. We've got D and F, C and E, B flat, not B, B flat and D, and then at the end, a fourth, an A and a D. They haven't given you any fingering here until the 3rd bar. It's really not, I don't think it's actually that important as long as you go for something reasonably sensible. So you've got these, and then these. And then if you're following the fingering there, they're suggesting coming down to 2 and 4, and then you end with a staccato. So the idea is you go, so if I'm going to try and work hands together. So just this very first bit, you do a, now then you let go of the left, and then you go F, A, then C and E, C and E, let go of the left, keep the right on, 2 and 4 onto there, and that brings it all off. Okay, I did that a bit loud at the end because I was just sort of trying to show you a staccato, but that should be a bit lighter. So that's what we got. So the right hand is held, then this. Try it again. So the more I'm playing this, the more I'm thinking you should use 2 and 4 on the first chord, okay, although it's not marked. So it goes rest, and rest, and rest, and rest, like that. Bringing the left hand back in. That's our first line.